This video will demonstrate how to fulfill Shopify orders via Amazon MCF automatically within 1 minute. There are 3 steps, including connect Shopify store and Amazon FBA warehouse with fulfiller, set inventory synchronization rules and logistic rules. Open your seller dashboard within Shopify. Search for seller in Shopify App Store. Find out for seller ERP. Click the install button. Finally, it will pop up a prompt let you know that you have already connected your Shopify store with for seller. Before authorizing the Amazon warehouse, you need to have authorized the Amazon store in for seller's shop manage. Click the Amazon icon in the for seller dashboard to customize the Amazon store name and select the corresponding store site. After clicking Connect, continue to follow the instructions on the Amazon pop-up page to complete the store connection. Enter the inventory setting page. Then click Create in 3PF Warehouse at your FBA page will pop up. On this page, you can select the corresponding Amazon store in the drop-down list. Click Confirm to add the FBA warehouse corresponding to the Amazon store. The inventory sync rule allows you to no longer worry about overselling issues. After an order is placed in one store, the inventory of other online listings with the same SKU will automatically decrease. Before that, you first need to enter the listing settings page. After turning on auto association and created automatically, the listing synchronized to for seller will automatically be associated with inventory products or create new inventory products to associate with them. First, you need to create a product. Go to your inventory list and create a product SKU for simple products, configurable products, or bundle products. Let's take simple product as an example. Click on Create. Fill in all the product information and click Save to create the product SKU within for seller. Second, match the SKU and product in the listing column. Click the Publish list and match the SKUs of all the listings associated with the store. Find the link icon and click it. Search for the product SKU you just created and click Select Match, so that the products sold in your store will match the SKUs in for seller. Third, click Inventory to enter the FBA page. Click Sync Inventory to synchronize Amazon inventory to for seller. And then, click Map to associate the SKU. Fourth, set up the inventory sync rule in the dashboard. You can sync inventory data based on the available or on-hand stock in for seller. Additionally, you can set the rule to automatically set the inventory of synced platforms to 0 when the available inventory in for seller falls below a certain quantity. This is useful when the product is not available due to other reasons, such as being damaged. Next, you can select the FBA inventory you want to sync and Shopify platform inventory in the drop-down list. And then save the rule after setting up the inventory sync rules. After setting the inventory synchronization rules, you can view the synchronization records of inventory changes on the inventory sync page. It should be noted that each row represents the latest synchronized record of inventory changes for one SKU. Each main account can sync 30,000 times per day. If it exceeds 30,000 times a day, it will no longer be synchronized. It will be refreshed the next day. The logistic rules could help sellers buy MCF shipping labels and ship Shopify orders automatically. Click on the setting icon. Go to the automations under Order and Shipping. Click on Add Logistics Rules. The page to set logistics rules will pop up. Customize the logistics rule name first. Select the order type, such as platform, store, and fulfillment type and option. Click Add Condition. You could filter order types at more precise level, whether it is warehouse SKU, shop SKU, shop warehouse, or state. Then select FBA warehouse, carrier, and shipment service you want to match with the above order type. You could also check Automatic Buy Label to buy shipping labels automatically. At the same time, if the shipping label is purchased failed, an email notification will be sent to your preset email address. Besides this, you could also block Amazon Logistics and select blank box only. After you click on Save, the tracking number will be sent back to the platform to mark shipped status. In addition, you could also limit the scope of the logistic rules to apply to the order, and there are 3 order ranges to choose from. First, execute historical orders means it will execute legend rules on orders that don't match the rules. Second, execute all orders means it will apply to all previous orders. Third, execute unmatched orders means it will apply to orders that don't match the logistics rules. Furthermore, you could receive an email notification of orders whose shipping label failed to be bought. Check the blank box beside Fin your email notification. Fill the email address, click on Save to finish it. Moreover, you could drag the small square under the priority list up and down to change the priority of executing logistic rules. That concludes our introduction how to buy shipping labels and ship Shopify orders via Amazon MCF automatically with 3 steps within 1 minute. There are more details and examples available within our online help center. Don't forget to like, follow our channel, and get more useful e-commerce experience sharing. If you are interested in for seller and think it is useful to you, then please leave yes in the comment area. This is Jolene. See you in the next video.